Good morning, students. I know you are feeling bored at home. For this, students, so I have made this video for you. Watch this video and complete your work and enjoy. Do activities. Okay, students, let's start our today's session. Today we will talk about festivals. Students, India is known as the land of festivals. There are many festivals we celebrate with our family, like Baisakhi. Baisakhi is one of the most popular and important festival celebrated in the state of Punjab and various parts of India. The festival takes place on April 13 every year. Students, next is Bihu. Bihu is the chief festival in the Assam state of India. It refers to set of three different festivals: Rangoli, Bohag, Bihu observed in April, Kongali or Kati Bihu observed in October, Bhogali or Magh Bahu observed in January. Okay. Next is Gudi Padwa. Okay. Students, see, this is a festival. It's celebrated in the state of our India. We celebrate in our family. Okay. Students, it is celebrated in Maharashtra. It is a Hindu's festival, right? The festival generally coincides with the Udgi celebration in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Next is Navroz. It is the name of a festival. Parsi New Year, also known as Navroz, it is celebrated to mark the beginning of the Iranian calendar. Okay, let's sing a rhyme round the year. Students, January and February, 1 and 2, cold months for me and you. March and April, 3 and 4, pleasant weather knocks the door. May and June, 5 and 6, it gets hotter and hotter. Now we are in fix. July and August, 7 and 8, it begins to rain on each date. September and October, 9 and 10, festivals for everyone. November and December, 11 and 12, it is again a cold spell. Okay. Students, let's do an activity. Now we make a card for New Year. Okay, write happy, good. You can take color of your choice, your favorite color, new, N-E-W, new, year. Right? Good. Students, now decorate it with glitter. Yes. Very good. Students, take your book, I Can Achiever Level 5, open page 66. Okay, now paste the card here. Okay, use glue or Fevicol. Students, let's do an activity. Now, learn the concept of tall and short. Okay, see here, which is tall? This one is tall and this one is short. Okay, now big and small. Which one is big? This one. Yes, this one is, and this one is small. Small, right? Students, open page 67 of your book, I Can Achiever Level 5. Students, page number 67, tick the tall tree. There are two trees, Christmas tree, which is tall. Yes, tick here. In the next pic, tick the big cake. Which one is big? Yes, tick here. Students, let's do an activity. These are some number cards and take numbers in your hand and there are number names. Now I will start music. When music stops, you will take a number name and match the number with your number name. Okay? I will start. Yes, pick the number. Which number is this? 5. 5. Your number is 5. Yes. Good. Now start. Which number is this? 4. 4. Number is 4 and number name is also 4. Okay? Students, you can do next. Music stopped. Number is no. Your number is 1 and number name is 3. Number is not matched, right? Take another number. Which number is this? This number is 2. 2. Number name is 2 and your number is 3. Okay?
last number 1. Number name is 1, but number is 2. Students, you can play this type of activity. Take number 1 to 10, 1 to 20, any number you can take. Okay? Good.
Students, open page 68 of your book and see the number and count the cake. There is 6 cakes. Write number name 6, SIX 6. Next is 2. Write TWO 2. Then 1. Write ONE 1. Next, count the cakes. There are 10 cakes. Write TEN 10. Students, after doing this, sit with your family members and talk about the things you have learned in this session. Students, you have learned about many festivals, different festivals celebrated in different states. Okay, and you know how we can make a new year card, right? Students, do your homework on time. Keep your books and notebooks on proper place. Students, read your books according to your homework. Students, keep your activities, do your activities and keep your things on proper place. Play with your friends. Do not go outside. Play inside and recite the rhymes you have learned in previous sessions. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.